Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 10th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar Canada, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we are, and there's plenty to unpack heading into the Asian pre-open. Gold is sitting at around $4,113 as we close out the week, and the broader picture remains moderately bearish. The 4-hour chart tells a clear story. We've had a series of lower highs and lower lows since gold peaked around $4,192 on the 7th of July, and Friday's London session did little to change that narrative. Price attempted a recovery during the session, spiking briefly toward $4,122, but sellers stepped back in and pushed it right back below the converged 20 and 50 period EMA, sitting around $4,116 to $4,118. That rejection matters. When price can't hold above those moving averages, it signals that the short-term momentum stays with the sellers. On the fundamental side, the only scheduled US event today is the Fed Monetary Policy Report at 1100 UTC, rated low impact, so don't expect a major catalyst from that alone. With no high-impact data on the calendar, gold may simply drift in consolidation, though a stronger dollar environment could keep a lid on any recovery attempt. Heading into the session, the levels worth watching are resistance at $4,124 and $4,132 to the upside, and support down at $4,081 and $4,065 below. Those are your key reference points tonight. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3428 and 1.3452. Support is marked between 1.338 and 1.34. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 161.85 and 162.47. Support is marked between 161 and 161.32. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.6971 and 0.70025. Support is marked between 0.6929 and 0.6949. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.5777 and 0.57934. Support is marked between 0.57597 and 0.57614. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4155 and 1.4172. Support is marked between 1.411 and 1.4125. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 217.05 and 217.8. Support is marked between 216.255 and 216.454. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.